Okay, you want to go to Multiman, hit X. In Multiman, this is the menu for like one way to select your games, but it actually has a Windows-like desktop you can go to. So I think we want to go to this File Manager, MMOS. Hit X, and you get a desktop where the right stick is like your mouse cursor. So this is where we want to open up PS3 root, which should be kind of like a file folder view. And it might be a double click. Yes, you double click. Okay, now you get your file folder view, kind of like Windows. You can use the right analog stick or you can use the D-pad to move down. It's kind of quicker if you just use the D-pad. So you want to go to the hard drive 0, this dev HDD 0, then double click on the X button. Now you've got another folder view. This one we're going to go down to the folder called Game, not the plural games, just Game, double X. And now we're going to scroll all the way down to this SSNE 10,000 folder. Double click X. Then user directory. Double click X. And you want to find a file that's called Retroarch CFG. It's the Retroarch config file here. Once you have it highlighted, hit this circle button and you get a cut, copy, paste, delete popping up. So probably if Retroarch is not loading or just coming back to the screen, the config file is garbage. So we're going to go down here and delete it and hit X to confirm. It'll say, "Are you sure?" Move it to the left to yes and hit yes. Now the config file is gone. Now we can get out of here actually. So, okay, now that we've deleted the Retroarch config file, we can go back over to games here, double click X, and it takes you to the games view. And for now, I'm just gonna, to get out of here, just the easiest way is just pick a game and it'll take you back to the Xbox, sorry, Xbox cross media bar PS3 menu.